For those of you who don't know me, my name is Noe, and right now we're shooting in Hongdae. Hongdae is like one of the most trendy, popular areas in Seoul. But anyways, get to the point. I often get questions such as, what are my camera settings, or what am I shooting with? And it's not something I get every now and then, it's something I get like every day. Like 4 or 5 times a day, I answer the same question. Because I try to tell people that it doesn't matter what you're shooting with, or it doesn't matter what your settings are. Recently, some article came out in Petapixel like, your camera right now, whatever camera you're using, is still better than whatever people had back in the day, like the pros and stuff, you know? So there's really no excuse. Anyways, today I'm going to shoot only with my phone and nothing else. So I want to see what kind of images I can make using only my phone. And I'm not going to use any of my cameras. That's going to be kind of my little, I don't want to say it's a challenge, because it's not really a challenge. And it's one of those words that gets overused a lot. But anyways, let's get to it. I'll see you around. All right, so just want to remind you guys that if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, because as a small channel, it really helps me out, and I would really, really appreciate it. So let's keep shooting. Right, everyone, so I did find out that there is one downside to shooting with your phone, and that's that your phone battery will die pretty quick. Mine's already dying. I'm like at 20%. It's been like 2 hours. But then again, I wasn't at 100% anyways. But anyways, the point of this video is just to show you guys that you could take any good pictures with a phone. You don't need an amazing camera. And I know there's always going to be somebody saying, oh, but I don't have an iPhone 7 Plus or whatever, blah, blah, blah. That's not the point. The point is, just take the photo, right? And I know I'm gonna get questions asking which phone I use. Please don't. I just want to show you. Take the photo. Stop worrying about the settings. Yeah. Now see you around.